Amber Heard pay up. We caught up with her attorney, Elaine Bredehoff, in New York.
How is Amber doing today?
She's heartbroken. One of the things that she did, when she came back in the conference room, the first thing she said is, I am so sorry for every woman out there that has gone through any of this.
Appearing on the Today Show, the lawyer said outright that Amber just doesn't have the money to pay the judgment.
Is she able to pay a $10.4 million judgment?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Lawyer Emily Baker's running analysis of the trial has been a huge hit on YouTube.
Well, we heard Amber Heard on the stand slip and say that she had already spent over $6 million on this case. I believe that's probably prior to trial. So it's reasonable to believe this was, $10 million plus for each side.
There is talk that Amber will have to declare bankruptcy, but it may not do any good.
Amber Heard doesn't have the option of bankruptcy here because these were willful, intentional torts. This was intentional defamation, and that forestalls this judgment from being written off in bankruptcy.
Attorney Brian Claypool says Depp's team did a better job.
Lawyers matter in cases like this. Depp's legal team outmaneuvered Heard's legal team. It was brilliant of Johnny Depp to have Camille Vasquez, a woman, cross-examine Amber Heard. I could have never gotten away with that because I would have been perceived by the jury as a bully.
Court TV's Chanley Painter was in court for the whole trial.
Even though Johnny Depp was not here in person, his attorneys were greeted like rock stars outside the courthouse, unlike anything we've ever really seen. It was like they rolled out a red carpet, cheering.
Johnny Depp remained in England today, where he's celebrating the verdict, stopping by a local pub.
I managed to shake his hand and speak to him very briefly. I said hello and wished him well. And he said thank you. He was smiling. He gave me a wink and, very gracious.
But after the long 6-week trial, the battle between the warring exes may not be over.
Is she going to appeal?
Yes, absolutely.